Hi everyone, today I will introduce you a noise source detection program. This is my hardware part, and this can be fixed with a vacuum socket, and the microphone array board can be connected with my laptop via a USB. This is the main page of my program. Now we have run this VI. In the right hand, it is the information about the microphone array board. Now we can choose the auto module. You can see in the top of the window is the input signal waveform, and the red line indicates the angle area of the noise. The yellow part indicates the distance about the noise. Now I will play my phone as a noise source. You can see when I put my phone here, the red line indicated a right direction of the noise, and the yellow part indicated the signal's distance. When I move around my phone, both the angle area and the distance change. Now we can click the stop button. There are also other modules of my program. They have DAQ module. It is used to save the input signals at an Excel file. We also have the open module. This is the part that when you have already had a data file, you can choose the data file and do the calculation about the angle and the distance. Well, you may ask about the background noise. For the background noise, I use the filters when I do the data acquisition and add the weighting factors when the cross correlation. So this is the program I want to introduce to you. Thank you for your watching.